In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Gmail accounts in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up additional email addresses for personal use, work, or any other purpose, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Gmail login page. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon, a small circle with your image or initials if you haven't set a picture yet. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear showing a list of any Gmail accounts you're currently logged into. Next, in that drop-down menu, you'll notice a button labeled Add Account. Click on it. This action will prompt a new window to open where you can either sign into an existing account or create a new one. Since we're here to create a new Gmail account, look towards the bottom of this new window for the Create Account option and click on it. When you click Create Account, you'll be offered choices like for my personal use or for business. In this tutorial, we're focusing on personal accounts, so go ahead and click on For my personal use. This choice brings you to the Google account creation page. Now it's time to start filling in your details. You'll be asked for basic information, first name, last name, and a username. Your username will become your new Gmail address, so pick something that suits your needs. If your first choice for a username is already taken, Google will suggest alternatives, or you can try different combinations of your choice. Fill out these fields thoughtfully, as this will be one of the primary ways people recognize your email. After your username, input a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account's security. You'll need to confirm this password by typing it again in the provided field. Remember this password as it's crucial for accessing your account. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click Next. Google may ask for some verification information like a phone number or an alternate email address to help secure your account. This verification step is vital as it protects your Gmail account against unauthorized access and helps you recover it in case you forget your password. Follow through with any additional prompts. These might include accepting Google's terms and privacy settings. Carefully read through these terms to understand the services and privacy agreements you're agreeing to. And there you have it, a brand new Gmail account ready to use. You can repeat this process to create as many accounts as you need. I hope this guide has been helpful in making the process clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.